Yeah, so I just want to be cautious because
It does take some management.
it takes management. So before you even think about doing that, connect with your realtor, connect with your, get counsel. There's a company like Journey Forward, or there's other organizations that will counsel you first on doing that.
Even Mills Realty right now that's doing a lot of management of properties. What's the size of management you deal with? Can I do a 10-unit building to a 100
Well,
unit?
we probably try. We start about 10, and then we go from there and go up. So if anyone looking for management, that's what I do. So I will take on anything from a 10-unit going. I mean, I have an 8 and a 6, but I prefer a 10 going up. If someone needs a 6, I'll do it. But
And how much do you guys charge?
that's negotiable.
So we got some issues there. We've run out of a lot of time here, guys. Unfortunately, we have just a few more minutes. So how do people, what's the best way to reach you guys?
Well, I'm gonna give you the office number, 773-764-9547. But you can also go to millsreal.com, MILLS real.com. And I just want to mention this if I could. For those of you who listen to podcasts, please check us out. We talk a lot about first-time home buyer. We give a lot of free information about real estate. It's called the Mill Social Talk Podcast.